Hey, and welcome back. We're taking off some siding because of this brick mold here. It doesn't necessarily go there, and the owner didn't like it, so we're going to take this stuff off and continue it across the bottom there, like it should be. First step, get this off. But, it's just put on with spiral siding nails. Those guys hold pretty good. In fact, I had one break over here. Oh, that one felt like it let go. Also, being attacked by deep resistant gnats from central Georgia. You're welcome. It burns. All right. Next, we broke this nail trying to get that spiral siding nail out, and oh, there it is. So, what do you think? You want to get go ahead and take this brick mold off, reuse it on the front door maybe. Hopefully these nails will come out with the brick mold. But there it is. Finger jointed. No, it may bust. That's a good nail right there as well. So, what's going on? Let's give it another pull with the flatty. I like to turn this guy sideways sometimes. Oh, when it helps. Pull it on out there. Alright, that's good. When you got a piece of wood with many nails, if you want to just get a little bit out of the first nail, a little bit out of the second, and go back to the first. A little bit more out of the first nail, and a little more out of the second. You don't want it to break if you can help it like that. Wow. Of course, that's the siding. Oh, this is concrete. The old hardly board. Not even a board. Okay, so let's go. That's not gonna work. Well, no nail pull-off. Yes. And the nails are not near the studs. So if I try to pull on it right there, it'll bust through the siding. That's no good. Let me try right here on the old studifier. There should be a stud there. But here could be a problem. Maybe over here. I'm sure it's going to break anytime. There we go. It's some kind of stubborn. barn stubber. I think the head pulled through the back, so these things are not letting go. That's what it is. They don't want to let it go. They're here to do a job. They're going to do a job well. Put their back into it. You can respect that, yeah. Take the siding with it. Well, let's see if I can just ease it away. This one's, this nearly pulled through the entire back side. So, let's try to get this one too, I guess. Seems like I don't know. I pulled this rather bulbous head. There we go. Alright, now use the leverage. Oh. Those are screws. That's good to know. Okay. Screws.
They're all screws. Oh
T20 looks like. What an irritating turn of events. It did. So I busted this one real nice. And probably gonna have to cut that off. Where's that box of tips you got there?
I will use it.
Son of a